Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roshan and you are learning React.js with me. So let's continue with that. And friends, today actually we are going to understand one another new concept in React.js, okay? And that is actually props, okay? It is just a short form of properties, okay? Now what is props? Let me directly show you practically. Friends, I am just creating one component in my src directory to demonstrate you. So I am just creating a welcome component, welcome.js. Okay, so let me complete that component first. Function welcome, normal javascript function. Friends, I am returning a normal message from here, that is welcome user, and then just normal export default. Okay friends, so I have just created a normal component. Now I am going to call this component from here. Okay, and let's say I am just calling that component from here. Now let me save my files, and you can see friends, welcome user. Okay, so this is actually a same thing which already we have learned in our last video. Okay, but today we are going to understand the props. So let me tell you friends, if I call this component or render this component multiple times, let's say 3 or 4 times, in that case what I get, I just get a same static message. So if you can see, if I save my application, okay, I am getting the same message each and every time. So friends, actually this output or this concept is useful when we just want to display same thing again and again. Okay, in that scenario this is perfectly fine, no issues. But if we have the requirement like whenever we will call this component, okay, each time we want to show something different. Okay, that means each and every time means for example, let's say if I call this component welcome component first time, in that case I should get welcome and a particular user's name, let's say welcome John. Okay, then if I call another time, then I should get a message like welcome uh, some another user's name like LP. Okay, one more time if I call this component, I should get welcome Daniela. Okay, something like that. If my requirement is like that, then how I can achieve that requirement? Okay, because that is actually a super wonderful concept of reusability. Okay, so if I want to reuse this component just like that, then what should I do? Okay, so friends, to achieve that requirement we have to use the concept of props, okay, in React.js, so that each while calling this component each and every time with the help of props, we can send data to this component, okay, from outside, and then this component will just render the data which it is getting from outside. Okay, so how we can pass that data? So friends, while calling that component, while rendering that component, we can just pass username. So I am just passing username, and let's say John. Second time I will just pass another username, and this time name will be LP. Okay, third time I will pass another username, let's say Joel. Okay, now while while calling that component, I am each time I am sending a new data from outside to that component actually. Okay, in that case, at component side we need to catch this data. Okay, and how we catch that data? To catching that data or to receiving that data, we have to use props here. Okay, so inside these functions, open and close bracket, we have to just receive that data as a props. Okay, and after that we can normally display props data like this. So props and then username, this way friends. Now let me save this component, let me save this file, and let me take you to browser. You can see friend, welcome John, welcome Alfie, and welcome Joel. Okay, if I just change my data, like let's say now I am passing Akash, here I am passing Mahesh, and here I am passing Priyanka. Okay, in that case my component will just render with that data. You can see welcome Akash, welcome Mahesh, welcome Priyanka. So this is actually a concept of reusability. This is actually a concept of props. With the help of props we can pass data to component from outside so that the component gets rendered with the dynamic data every time. Okay, so the solid example for this props concept is actually e-commerce application. So let's say friends, if I am working on some e-commerce website, so I have already created another component to demonstrate you that. See, now I am just removing this welcome component, I am just closing this here. I have created one more component, that is product component. So see, I am just opening that components file here. So this is actually a product component. So basically this component is displaying one product on our e-commerce website. Okay, so this is actually a product component, and for every time this component is taking product name and product price. Okay, from outside where we are actually calling this. So now I am calling it and I am passing it the data. So product name is equal to, let's say, iPhone Max Pro. Okay, and then another data as a price. So we can send multiple data items friends. So now I am sending another value, that is price. So let's say it is 10,000. Okay, after this actually I am getting some error. So yeah, what is the error? I got it, I forgot to add it. Okay, so let's say I am calling this with some another information, that is some another product detail. So this time let's say it is Samsung Galaxy. Okay, and its price is 20,000. Okay, again third time I will just pass Apple. Okay, so Apple laptop, any product for just for example. Okay guys, and if I save this file and if I take you to browser, you can see, okay, you can see my product component is rendering for 3 times. Okay, and each time it is taking dynamically data. Okay, each time it is taking a data which I am sending it every time. Okay friends, so this is actually a concept of props. This way we can send data to any component with the help of props from outside. Okay, yeah, so this is just about props friend. So I am going to close this video here now. If you are really liking my videos, then please like my video, share to everyone, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah, now we are going to meet in our another video. So till that time, goodbye friends.